right, hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is the place where we're talking about construction positioning technology. We're back. We're coming off of those last couple of episodes where we discussed SketchUp, which was super cool. Make sure you check those out if you haven't to this point. But today we're getting more back into the normal day-to-day grind, right? We're back on a support topic, and this is something that's been hitting the desk a lot in recent weeks. And that's the topic of hardware updates and firmware updates on our radio module, so our Empower radio module. So this is primarily affecting our T100 and T110 users. And just to go back, we had a video a while back where we talked about Trimble Update Viewer, right? And Trimble Update Viewer is kind of the hardware counterpart to Trimble Installation Manager, or TIM, where we install the field link modules and everything else. The Trimble Update Viewer is the one where we talk about how we install drivers and hardware related items for tablets. Now, for the T110s, it's already going to be installed. For older versions of the T100, though, you might have to go and get that link and install the Trimble Update Viewer yourself. We're going to put a link right down below in the description for that, so you can just go and download that. So if you don't see it on your tablet, just go ahead, go to that link, download it on your tablet, and you should be able to go and utilize the Trimble Update Viewer. So once we have that installed, we're going to pull it up. Very, very simple. But what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're always up to date, because a lot of these these Windows updates are kind of affecting some of the Trimble drivers. So we want to make sure that we're up to the latest and greatest. So we're primarily concerned with 3 different modules that we want to make sure are updated as it pertains to the Empower Hub. So the first one is the Trimble Empower Hub. We want to make sure that that's updated. You can see that we've already updated that this morning. It was actually set to auto update. And so once we install that, you do get that check mark. We also want to make sure that we install the Trimble Empower Module Manager. So we're going to just go ahead and install that. And it's going to connect to the internet. It's going to download that. Okay. And depending on your internet speed, your connection speed, got that taken care of. So we can click OK. We can see that that now shows up, has been updated. And we can also turn off or on the auto update now that it's been updated. And the last one we want to do is this Trimble Empower EM120 support. It might also be called EM12X on your tablet. And we're going to install that module as well. And that will also update the last of the radio modules. We'll say install. And boom. Simple and painless. And now all 3 of those modules are installed. So the Trimble Empower Hub, the Trimble Empower Module Manager, and the Trimble Empower 120, or in this case is updated 12X package, are what you need to make sure that your radios are connected so you can continue your connectivity to those RTS devices. So of course, if you have any questions or have any remaining connectivity issues, make sure you reach out to your local Building Point representative. And also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. And we'll see you next time on That's the Point.